There's Chips Ahoy in here.
Seriously? They stapled the bolts to a Chips Ahoy bag? That's great. That's...
What is there a joke here that I don't get?
I don't know.
Who is this? Airflow Solutions? Please explain yourselves, please. Because I really don't get it. Alright guys, welcome to another Blacktop Excursions video. Today we are going to Mother Goose's house, and Mother Goose is getting a intake manifold installed on his car and getting a tune from VMP, so we're going to see about getting that done for him. And we might be introducing two cars onto the channel today. Joe got a new car and John got a new car, so we'll see. We'll let you guys check them out, hopefully, both of them. And if not, then it'll be a separate video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. It's a great way to keep us motivated on the channel, to keep giving you guys, hopefully, some decent content. You guys be the judge of that. But yeah, and leave the like on this video. That also helps. So enjoy the video. About to go under the knife. This thing right here is going to be taken off. And we're in Mother Goose's garage. Is he going to come out?
No, I'm not going to come out.
Oh, there he is. So how many ponies are you going to be making now?
500-ish at the crank.
Well, that doesn't matter. What's at the wheels?
At the wheels, around 460.
So Gen 3 power right here. Very soon. You excited for the bald eagles? Oh, yes. Is this it? Have you even opened it yet?
I've opened the tuner and that part, but I haven't opened the actual intake yet.
Oh, you got to do that. Yeah, knife, nif.
Knife, nif.
On the website, it did say you got Chips Ahoy, right? And then they threw in the intake manifold for free?
For free.
That's what they did?
That's what they did. Worth it.
Worth it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
$1,200 Chips Ahoy.
You really want to risk that? Are there crumbs in there? You clean all the crumbs out?
No. I live dangerously.
So close to that intake, boy. So now we just got to take this little heat sink off. Right? Or are we going to wait on Joe to start?
Gotta go back.
Choices. Choices. Ah.
You're
Okay.
making bad ones. I don't think you should make.
Your passenger side PCV system. This connection needs to be referenced to manifold vacuum.
So where are we starting, Mother Goose?
I would say take the cold air off first.
Okay.
Well, do we want to pull the fuse and then cycle it first, or do you want to go with the cold air first?
They did that. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. I don't think.
Greetings!
Don't shoot me in the face. You know who I am. Don't trespass.
The AK will be.
You gotta let John go.
The other side is going to be.
The other side's better, John.
Seen a hook shot, hog sticker. I was like,
I'm not saying anything. You two are awful, awful people.
you have no idea. Are you done yet?
No, we're just starting.
Oh,
You're here for moral support.
Let's make sure we don't get these mixed up. I hate for you to do all this work just to put the same one back on.
Yeah. Can we put like a sticky note on this one?
just like the Shelby thing, where the Shelby parts are painted and the regular Ford parts are just like rusting.
All right, Mother Goose.
No, they're the same color.
Choose your weapon.
Choose my weapon.
Yeah.
Do you know which fuse it is?
I think it was 49.
Oh wait a minute, you're doing all this? So you're gonna rip off all the AC, all the cooling hoses, and replace the gasket.
Wow. Wow.
That's gotta be what that is.
We're terrible.
Oh man, I about lost it when I was shaking.
Can you not turn the fan on? Turn the fan on, bud.
Disinfect everything now.
That's rough. Holy crap, that's rough.
The weird part is it kind of smells like rotten pasta. Like sour pasta. Somebody made some like.
Why have you been smelling sour pasta?
It's
Oh boy.
Might should have saved that till the end of the day, guy. not right out the gate.
oh, he just gave up.
Why are you farting in the garage?
Went to Skyland this morning, man.
Dear God, help us all.
I had the country breakfast with liver mush and
Oh, that's what did it. Liver mush. That was too much. I'm so depressed. I'm so depressed because like we just recorded 30 minutes of us taking apart the car and no video for it. Shouldn't the fuel rail come off first?
Did we skip a step?
I don't think so.
There's a little pinch tab right there. Just, I don't know how you get your thumbs in there, but
You push it in.
You want to use the magnet
What?
to get the bolts out?
No, you leave them in.
Oh, you leave them in? Okay. Yeah, I'm not seeing how my fingers.
Okay, let me get those bolts on this side and you guys can work on it. What's gonna happen when I actually have to leave?
That we're gonna get this done before you leave.
Now this one. Kai in there watching the movie.
Yep. That's why
I can't say I don't blame him.
I needed help with this because I don't know what I'm doing. So
You would have had this.
no.
You just needed us here for a confidence booster. That and you can blame us when your car doesn't work and we were the ones that did all the work. There.
it's like $400 to $500 just to replace that the gasket under there. Not the intake or any of that, just the gasket.
Yeah.
That's the cool thing about these intakes is they don't have gaskets.
No?
They're built in. So if you pick up that intake manifold over, well actually just look at that green thing on the throttle body.
Okay, then how does it wait? So how do you replace that? When it goes bad?
It doesn't.
It doesn't. That's the thing of the past.
So that's good. I almost bought one of those things last night at Walmart.
You gotta wait. I want to get the Makita one.
No, I don't want to spend a bunch of money.
No, I want it for like
Remove fuel rails.
for like me.
Oh, okay. Removing, does this need to come off? Or does it just come up around?
They lift up because you've still got the injectors.
But this thing is in the way. Feels like something's not right here.
Something's.
Oh, here we go.
Let's say the
It's
fuel-
just pop the fuel rails. Just wiggle them. There you go. All right, so that's good.
Hey, brother. Oh, John's here.
Oh, John's coming to hang out?
He's not coming to hang out. He's coming to borrow a Ford versus Ferrari.
John, John, can you get out of the garage? Get out of the garage, John.
Do not touch that with that.
Here, rag.
Just go outside the garage and dump it somewhere. Oh. What's up, John?
Question of the day is how many people does it take to exchange a intake manifold?
Hey,
2.
we're not mechanics, okay?
We're not mechanics. All right, what's next?
The question is, how many Ferrari owners does it take to buy a copy of Ford versus Ferrari?
Oh, honestly, I have so many movies that I don't watch, and it just pisses me off to buy another one that I'll watch once and never watch again. More than anything else. How are you, man?
Good, how you been?
Busy, working.
I don't smell like gas.
I don't know how much.
Because we were messing with the fuel rails.
Oh, we are doing mechanics by YouTube.
Yeah.
VMP made this video for
What
us.
could possibly go wrong?
Everything.
Well, the thing is, the people that made the kit to do this made the video, so.
Look, I'm gonna be perfectly honest with you, man. With modern cars, I mean, back in the day, I used to tear down cars or anything.
Yeah.
I don't touch them now.
Yeah, I definitely get the sentiment. Okay, so does this need to come off? Because the next step is to remove the intake manifold, right? So we got to disconnect all these wires.
So what was wrong with your manifold?
It was doing the flaps weren't working.
Oh.
So
That'd be bad.
yeah, that would be bad.
No air getting in the engine, that's not a good thing.
Well, I mean, it worked under like full throttle, but when you're trying to cruise at highway speeds and everything, it
How'd y'all
wanted
get
to
the?
choke off. Yeah, it wanted.
How'd you get this one off before?
hesitate.
Was it just the wiggling?
Oh, the red tab?
Yeah.
Gotta pull the red tab out.
Pull it out?
Yeah, like with your nail.
Oh,
There you go.
okay.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's done. Now what? Well, this is rigid. Whatever's here is rigid. This piece right here is bolted. It's like a rigid piece of something.
Yeah, but if you cut this zip tie, it'll bend back, up and back, I think.
Live TV from 70 plus channels. Watch, record, binge, YouTube TV.
It's about as much as you're gonna get.
Just sticks his hand in there. Just a handful of wires. Got it.
Put the dust down there. That was a bad idea.
Oh crap.
There's like a piece of tape on this.
Now we are out. We are free. Free at last.
I guess we're gonna recycle these pieces.
Yes. Yeah, that piece has to.
So let's get
okay.
that off.
Can we gotta be very careful right here because there's dust all right around the intake ports.
Yeah, I'm just
Do
gonna.
you have a vacuum that you trust?
That trust? What does that mean?
That you trust not to get stuff down into your intake ports?
I mean, it's the only vacuum I
Do
have.
you have any blue painter's tape?
Yeah, we'll have yellow painter's tape.
Yellow paint, something to cover up these ports.
Can you get this piece of paper out? Oh, that'll work. Yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah, I didn't tell you that.
Yeah, there's all kinds of little giblets down
Yeah,
there.
it's not dust.
No,
Leaves, dust, I don't think I'm probably getting it. Dust can go into the port. Leaves, probably not a good idea.
leaves are bad. Dust is probably bad too because like your filter stops a lot of dust.
Yeah, but I mean, there's not that much that would matter.
But like that kind of grit.
Yeah, that you want out.
It's in the truck.
You guys are ridiculous. No, not you. You're fine. You're on the same boat as I am. Just
What boat is that?
no.
Titanic?
No. Like once it starts
what I
getting
needed.
too crazy, I don't know. I kind of am in the same boat. Like a lot of the stuff these days is nice because it's like, you know, clip in, clip out.
I see what you're saying.
But we start breaking stuff down. But then again, this isn't as bad as like my truck I wouldn't do because it was a gasket. This isn't a gasket. This is just.
Yeah. No, agreed.
Like some of this stuff has gotten like really, really simple, stupid.
Okay. So you need tape? Yes. I'll go get it.
So after we clean this up, we can like just drill everything back in.
Basically.
It's really weird.
Putting it back together should be easier than taking it apart.
See, that was usually my like problem with like older cars is like taking it apart is super easy. Putting it back together is like, dude, did you not clean that before you put it back on, or did you not put the new seal in, or
Why do I have these extra screws?
did you
Mechanics
did you go through the torque specs of all that? The what?